Have you ever wondered what church musicians actually do other than just playing on the Sabbath? Most people only see us for about 20 minutes during the service, but there's a lot more to learn about what we do in church. Here are 5 things that most people don't know about church musicians. Number 1, we set up way before everyone arrives. Before the congregation gets to church, we've been there for hours. We're making sure cables are plugged in right, the microphones are working, making sure the system works, and getting everything ready before everyone arrives to church. If everything looks effortless, it is usually because one person or a team of people made sure everything was ready beforehand. Thing number 2, we troubleshoot things under pressure. Suddenly a microphone stops working, a cable goes bad, an instrument isn't making sound, or the live stream has an issue. These problems don't wait to happen after church, they happen during church. Church musicians and the sound team have to stay calm to make sure the problem gets solved without distracting the congregation. Number 3, we learn songs every week. Many churches don't sing the exact same songs every week. That means we're constantly learning new songs, learning new chords, new song arrangements, so that we're prepared for the next program or worship set. It takes much more practice than people realize. Number 4, we practice outside of church. The rehearsals you see isn't where we learn the instruments. Most musicians spend hours at home throughout the week to practice their instrument, their timing, their technique, their rhythm, to make sure so that when the next rehearsal comes in, they're prepared for their set. The better prepared everyone is individually, the smoother the rehearsals become. And number 5, we stay way longer at church after everyone leaves. When the service is over, our work is not over. We're packing up instruments, rolling cables, turning off instruments, cleaning the stage so that the next time we have our service, everything is where everything needs to be. By the time we leave, the parking lot is pretty much empty. So the next time you see your church musicians, take a moment to thank them. There's a lot of work that goes behind the scenes that most people in the congregation don't ever get to see. And every hour they invest helps to create a better worship experience for everyone. So if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. What's one thing most people don't realize church musicians do? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.